What's up, everybody? It's Ben with Srkcycles.com, and today I've got a 2012 Yamaha FJR 1300. We're going to take a quick walk around this thing so you guys can see what this thing's all about. It's got the aftermarket Corbin seat, and yeah, let's just get to it. So you got your rear tire down here. Rear tire's in nice shape. A lot of life left there. Definitely going to pass inspection. Plenty of miles left in that thing. You can see the dual exhaust here coming out in the back. Got that little "Don't Tread on Me" badge just in case you really needed one of those. Maybe I should cover up that license plate. I don't know if it really matters. There's the tail light. You can see the bags there. That's that. Up here you got your luggage rack. And again, around here to the bags. Bags are in pretty nice shape. Nothing really to report there. That exhaust is in nice shape. Nice and clean. I feel kind of stupid. I actually don't know how this opens. Well, might be locked. Anyway, there is some marks up here on the top that I wanted you to see. Right here, there's like these light scuffs. I mean, I think they would come off, but it would take just a little bit of work to get them off. You can see them here. I think it's just like a boot mark from passenger or rider swinging their leg up over. Like I mentioned, it does have the Corbin seat, so there's that. Got the passenger backrest. This is a nice seat. So you got your passenger pegs, rider pegs, rear brake. Here on the side, you got the tank protector on the side. There is one up here too. There is some light marks right here and right here on the tank. I want you to see those. And there is some light scraping right here on this. So that is that. Down there in the belly pans, you can see that. There you go. We already looked at the tank. Look at these marks here. That's just a little dirt smudge. Little mark right there, just kind of in the clear coat. Keep moving around the side, up to the front. So up here, you got some scratch marks on the mirror. So that is that. It does have the windshield on there. You can see the headlights up front, got the dual headlights. Can't really see the fork tubes on this one. I mean, you can see the tubes, but you can't see the forks up in there. But there they are. Here's your front fender. Front fender's in good shape. Just some light little marks right there. You see those. It does have the dual disc brakes up front there, and then on the other side, you see that right now. There you go. Most of these marks, there's just some light marks here, just like some bug juice on there. There's your front tire. The tire's in good shape. Just up here to the mirror. There's some scratches on this mirror as well. Almost like it was scraped up against a building. There's this side of the bike. Got some scratches here. And down here on the cover. Make sure you see everything like that. That's just a little white dirt. Swiped right off my fingers. Here's this side of the tank. This side of the tank has some light marks too, right here. So there's that. It's your rider peg, shifter, passenger peg. Obviously you see the kickstands down. It does have the center stand. Here's the bags on this side. This is just dirt. Thought maybe some of that. Actually, I apologize. That one right there is actually part of a scratch. I think this one's just dirt. And there's some light scuffs right there on this rubber part. There's the exhaust. The exhaust is nice and clean, just like the other side. Already saw the luggage rack. Already saw the seat a little bit. Got this nice passenger backrest. These seats are pretty stiff. These Corbin seats are pretty stiff, but they're nice. It's a nice addition to the bike. It does have a small tear. Actually, I'll call that a large tear. Sorry. Right here, right by where the tank meets the seat. Over you got your fuel cover, your clutch, all your controls, handlebar, brakes, throttle. You guys know the drill. Your ignition in here. I thought this was interesting. In here is this knob adjusts the headlight level. Also, it does have hand warmers in the grips. There's the controls for that. Turn it on. See your gauges sweep. This thing has 7,160 miles. There'll be a few more than that after the test drive. Make sure you check out the test drive if you're interested in this bike. I assume if you're watching this video, you are interested in this particular bike. Turn the kill switch off. Let's fire this thing up. Comes right to life. There's that. Make sure these turn signals work. There's your front signal there. And front signal there. Go back in the back. Here's your rear signal there. And your rear signal there. Alright guys, like I said, this is the Yamaha FJR 1300. Do not miss out on this bike, and thanks so much for watching.